Ever wondered how you could earn over $300,000 in just a month with minimal work? Imagine making more in 30 days than most people do in a year, all while traveling the world. Sounds too good to be true. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 3 passive income ideas that can help you make money online right now. These methods let you profit from work you've already done, allowing you to enjoy the freedom and flexibility of a truly passive income. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tips on earning online. Let's kick off with an income source that's incredibly powerful. Digital products. But not in the way you might think. Done correctly, this method can be a game changer. This single income stream has brought in over $200,000 for several channels in the past month alone, and we're eager to share how you can do the same. However, to succeed with this method, there's something crucial you must do first. Acquire a valuable skill that others want to learn. To start, focus on skill acquisition. You'll need to develop expertise in a field where there's demand for knowledge. Think about areas like digital marketing, graphic design, coding, or even artificial intelligence. A trending topic right now is AI, specifically using AI tools to generate valuable content for businesses. For instance, AI can be used to create ads, logos, or even YouTube thumbnails. Once you have acquired this skill, you can start monetizing it. Begin by offering your new skills as services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Initially, you may not make much money, but the key here is to gain experience and credibility. By offering services like AI-generated YouTube thumbnails or logos at competitive prices, you'll build a portfolio and gather customer testimonials. This step is crucial for establishing trust and proving your expertise. After gaining experience and credibility through freelancing, you can transition to creating digital products. This is where the real passive income begins. Compile your knowledge and techniques into a digital guide. For example, you could create a Google document listing the best AI prompts for Mid-Journey. Platforms like Gumroad allow you to sell these guides. Each sale brings in money without requiring additional work, since you've already done the hard part once. This process sets up a semi-passive income stream that can continue to generate revenue indefinitely. The beauty of this method is that the longer it runs, the more passive it becomes. Over time, you can refine and update your digital product to keep it relevant and valuable. Additionally, you can expand your offerings by creating online courses or selling databases of useful information. By consistently adding value and adapting to market needs, your digital products can continue to sell and generate income for years. This approach not only provides financial benefits, but also allows you to reach a broader audience and establish yourself as an authority in your field. The more you invest in creating high-quality digital products, the more passive income you can potentially earn, making this a highly effective and scalable income source. So, you've created a digital guide on making YouTube thumbnails with AI. Now you might be wondering, how can you get more people to see it? The answer lies in our next passive income source, YouTube. But not in the way you might think. You can run YouTube channels without ever stepping in front of a camera or becoming an influencer. Instead, you can create content using slideshows and AI tools. You can start by creating a channel focused on a specific niche, such as growing on YouTube or creating great YouTube thumbnails. Use tools like Google Slides to make your presentations and AI tools like TubeMagic to write your scripts, generate endless video ideas, and optimize your videos. Record your screen using software like OBS. This approach allows you to produce valuable content without showing your face. Created with Google Slides and screen recordings using OBS. He shared useful information about his niche, which attracted a dedicated audience interested in his content. Additionally, you can diversify your content by creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and Instagram Reels. Use AI tools like Opus Clip Pro to break down long-form videos into multiple clips, letting AI handle most of the work. To optimize your videos further, utilize TubeMagic's video optimization feature. This method ensures your videos are as effective as possible in reaching your audience. YouTube can be incredibly passive. Several people have spent almost a decade on the platform, and they have continued to earn hundreds of dollars each month from videos they have uploaded ever since years ago. This shows the lasting potential of YouTube as a passive income source. Besides earning from ad revenue, you can also receive monthly payments from Google and YouTube, adding another layer of passive income. By consistently providing valuable content and leveraging AI tools, you can build a successful YouTube channel that drives traffic to your digital products. This strategy not only helps in generating passive income, but also in establishing your authority in your chosen niche. Now that you're making money from ad revenue and digital product sales by referring people from your YouTube videos to your digital products, let's discuss your third passive income stream. This one leverages the first two streams to create an incredibly easy and lazy income source: affiliate marketing. The best part, you don't need to create a new product or run more YouTube channels. You can simply add this to your existing income streams and significantly boost your earnings. Imagine you have a YouTube channel about growing on YouTube, creating YouTube thumbnails, and similar topics. What if there was a simple way to add a few extra dollars to your monthly income without much effort? Well, there is. By partnering with software that helps your audience do what you're teaching, you can earn recurring commissions every time someone signs up through your referral link. For example, you can partner with software like TubeMagic, which helps people optimize their YouTube channels. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn a commission every time someone subscribes to TubeMagic through your referral link. Promote this software in the descriptions of your videos and watch your income grow. If you manage to get 1,000 people signed up, you could earn an extra $20,000 per month in recurring revenue. This means you'll continue to make money month after month without additional effort. This method not only increases your earnings but also provides value to your audience by recommending tools that will help them succeed. Affiliate marketing is a perfect complement to your existing income streams, enhancing your overall revenue without requiring significant additional work. By combining ad revenue, digital product sales, and affiliate marketing, you create a powerful trifecta of passive income streams. Each stream supports and amplifies the others, maximizing your income potential. This integrated approach allows you to leverage your initial efforts to create a sustainable and scalable online income. Now that you're on your way to making significant money, you might wonder, what should I do with all these earnings? First and foremost, reinvest a good portion back into your business. This could mean investing in more education, buying ads to promote your products or services, and enhancing what you're already doing. It's crucial to fuel the engine of your business to keep it growing. After covering business expenses and your living costs, whether it's paying bills, enjoying your favorite activities, or even traveling the world like I do, you might find yourself with extra money. Here's where the smart part comes in. Put that surplus into a high-yield savings account. With current interest rates being quite high, this can help you earn a considerable amount just from your savings. Beyond high-yield savings accounts, consider long-term investments like ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These investments are designed to grow over time, potentially making you more money in the background without needing your constant attention. Think of them as a way to secure your financial future. Any extra funds that you won't need for the next 10, 20, or even 30 years can be wisely invested in ETFs. This strategy aims to build a financial cushion that grows over time. Remember, the best way to turbocharge your passive income streams is by leveraging YouTube. By creating valuable content and driving traffic to your products and affiliate links, you can significantly increase your income. Keep your focus on providing value, reinvesting in your growth, and making smart financial decisions with your earnings. This approach not only sustains your current success, but also builds a solid foundation for long-term financial stability. Thanks for watching. If you found these passive income ideas helpful and you're excited to start building your own streams of income, let us know in the comments below. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Have you already had success with any of them? We'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online and growing your passive income. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, see you in the next video. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.